Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to one of the best videos of the year. It is everything I got my kids for Hanukkah. Yay, Hanukkah. I have three little boys, a 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 1-year-old, and I've had so much fun shopping for them. Some of these toys I've bought months ago and have been saving for Hanukkah, and some of them are brand new, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. So this is everything they're getting for Hanukkah, and hopefully it's also kind of like a gift guide if you are shopping. So I do have 3 little boys, but a lot of the stuff is gender neutral, and I thought I would start with their big presents. They each get one big present and then sort of smaller present. Of course, all the links will be in the description box below. Just click expand for more, I think, and you'll see all the links there. Some of them are affiliate links, but they're all right there. For my 1-year-old, he got a pickler triangle, or is it Pikler? I'm not sure exactly how to say it. P-I-K-L-E-R. And it's from the brand Lily and River, and oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited because I have wanted this since my oldest was little, and I'm so glad that we have it now. So we got the triangle and the climbing board and the rocker. I'm going to show you guys it because me and my husband just built it today while the kids were at their grandparents, so I could show you guys everything. And I might give it to him early just to share with you guys how kids use it, because he's 1, so it won't really matter if he sees it again at Hanukkah. But this is the Lily and River climbing set. Okay, and then for my 3-year-old, his big gift is a grocery store / bakery. He absolutely loves playing pretend with food. That's his #1 favorite thing to do. Every time we go to anyone's house for a play date or a kids play area, that is absolutely what he goes for. So I'm so excited. We have a little kitchen that my 6-year-old got when he turned 1, the KidCraft one, which I love. I will link that one as well. But I really wanted to expand on it and give him sort of a grocery store element to it, not just the kitchen. So I think he's gonna love this. So his big present is that, and then I also got some food to go with it, so I'll show you guys all of that. But that's his big present. Okay, and then this is my 6-year-old's big gift. This is an Indominus Rex. He requested this. This is exactly what he wanted, so I hope he'll love it. It is from the Jurassic World series of toys, which my boys are extremely into. We have a lot of them. They've been getting them for every birthday, holiday, etc. for the past little while. He really wanted this big one. It's enormous. I am not thrilled about having it in my house, but that's what he wanted. So this is the Indominus Rex. What more can I tell you about it? It's huge. Okay, and then next up is another quite significant gift for my 3-year-old. This is a Lovevery play kit. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know that we absolutely love Lovevery in our house. They have these play kits that are designed for specific ages. They have a lot of baby and toddler stuff, and they have these older ones as well. So this is 37, 38, and 39 months. So each of their kits is specifically designed for how and what kids are developing at that stage. So in our baby one, you know how babies go through stages of pulling everything out of a drawer or throwing stuff or putting one thing in another thing. Those are all developmental stages, and the Lovevery toys are specifically designed for those stages, but they're also just gorgeous, mostly wooden toys that really last, and ones that grow with the kids too. So when my little one, my 1-year-old, got a Lovevery kit for his birthday, my 3-year-old was the one who wanted to play with it the most. Obviously my 1-year-old liked it, but the 3-year-old took over most of the toys, and I was like, okay, let me get him one of these for Hanukkah. And I looked, and they had older kits as well. So this one is called the Observer. They each have different themes. It has this gorgeous weather station. So at the beginning of the day, you can say what's the weather? Should you wear a t-shirt, a sweater, a jacket? What day of the week is it? Really cool learning. And then just a really fun busy board, which I know helped. Then it also comes with this playhouse. Isn't this so cute? With all these parts. I don't know how to describe to you the quality of the wooden toys from Lovevery. Like I said, we have a bunch of them, and I have 3 little boys, and they really hold up to lots and lots of play. So this is really cool. It's got all these pieces that go in and out, all the things that move around in the house. And then also for in the house is this cute little car with little people, and we have a bunch of Lovevery people too, so I know he'll like incorporate all of them with it. And then what each kit comes with is a little explanation of what's inside, why it's developed specifically for that age group. So it's really, really helpful also as a mom who wants to incorporate lots of learning and development with the toys. So this is great. Okay, let's jump back to my 6-year-old. Actually, the next sort of set of gifts, I got the same ones for the 6-year-old and the 3-year-old, which is pretty common in our house. They tend to play like together all the time and with the same things. So they each got a Hot Wheels City set. They've loved Hot Wheels since they were little, and these new city sets are pretty cool. I mean, they're like crazy. It's like a gorilla with his arms sticking out, and I don't even know what this thing is. But these are just like fun, classic little boys' toys I know they'll love. I know girls like Hot Wheels too. Okay, then some more dinosaurs from the Jurassic World set. This is the Tanystropheus and the Ceratosaurus. So bringing these to our collection. Then they each got some monster trucks. Monster trucks are very big in our house. My boys love them. There are outside toys. I don't know how we distinguish that, but they live outside and they do all these like, well, I guess because they do, what's it called? Like dirt racing, mud racing with them. So they build these like mud pits and sand pits, and they love putting the monster trucks in those. Okay, then also in the Jurassic World zone, I just got these in the Target dollar spot. They're projection lights. They probably won't last too long, but I think they were $3. So just like a little thing. I think they'll have fun with it at night. My boys do Shabbat sleepovers, so every Shabbat they get to have a sleepover. So I'll probably give these to them on Friday night, like the Shabbat during Hanukkah, and then they can have them for the sleepover. Okay, another dollar spot find, which I actually got for all three, because I think my baby will like it too, are these pop tubes. We've had pop tubes before. I took them on a road trip with us, and they loved them. They were like such a hit. These are only $1 each, and they're in the Target dollar spot, but you can find the pop tubes on Amazon. I'll put a link. They're a fidget toy, but they do make noise. They like crinkle when you move them, but they're really fun. My kids love them. Okay, and then back to the 3-year-old. I said that I got him some food and some just expansion stuff on his market. And again, it looks like he's getting a lot, but that's because I know the younger one and the older one will also play with all of this, so it's kind of for all of them. He really wanted a cash register. That was the #1 thing he asked me for, which is how I got to thinking about getting him the Little Market Bakery. All I wanted was a cash register. So this is the learning resources one. I've heard good reviews of it. I'm sure he will love that. We also got this little birthday cake. It's like a wooden cake, and you can put in the candles and the numbers. I thought that was cute. Love a good wooden toy. And then this is the Melissa and Doug fridge food set. It's a wooden toy set. Oh, and then I have one more learning resources food set, which I'll pop a picture. I'll put it in. It's supposed to come tonight, actually. So we were playing at a friend's house, and they had this, and I was like, oh my goodness, I love this, because the food is like a rubber kind of material. It's not like that kind of cheapy plastic, and it's hard when we have things like a bunch of food, you know, with all the little baby and like people coming over and the kids, you know, it's like 3 boys playing with stuff. I just want it to last, so that's why I got that learning resources set of food as well. Okay, and then let's get back to the baby. He doesn't have too much because he's only 1, but he is getting that big Lily and River climbing set, so that's his maid present, and I'm sure he'll be very happy with that. But I got him this Mickey and Minnie Hanukkah set. How cute is this? They're holding little dreidels. Actually, Minnie's holding a candle, and Mickey's holding a dreidel. I thought that was really cute. I love finding like Hanukkah things like that. And then the last thing is this little Sleepy's Lovey. So we got, our whole family has this Hanukkah pajama print. We all have matching pajamas, and they make these like loveys to go with it. They're so soft. And now he's 1, he's allowed to have a little toy in the crib, so I thought this would be perfect. It's so soft. If you don't know the Little Sleepy's brand, they make the softest pajamas. They're like a bamboo material, and they always have cute Hanukkah ones. Everything my kids are getting for Hanukkah. I'm just gonna put a little disclaimer on the end that I know some people buy way less for Hanukkah. Some people buy more. Every family does things differently. Every family has different budgets and all of that, and that's totally fine. I will just put the caveat that this is kind of what I do for my job. I share and review kids' toys with you guys, and some of this stuff was gifted to me, and I also make it a point to review toys and to check out new toys, so my kids benefit from that by getting more toys for Hanukkah and things like that. But yeah, so that's just my little caveat, but I don't feel bad. I love indulging them in all this. It brings me joy, and we all need a little joy in this life. Okay, so that is what my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button below. I'm vlogging for Hanukkah. Vlognukkah is coming. I can't wait to see you guys in my first Hanukkah vlog of the season. All right, see you next time. Bye!